Marine Drone Tech.
Marine Drone Tech, yes.
First, I'm Alex.
I'm Eun-hee.
Eun-hee, nice to meet you.
Nice
Can
to
you
meet you.
tell us about yourself and the company?
I'm Business Development Director in Marine Drone Tech. We mainly focus on the drone delivery service, maritime drone delivery service. So we deliver parcels under 5 kg to the ships anchored at sea.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
So I want to show you the drone and the videos here.
Is it like food delivery service or like medicine, or what do you normally deliver?
We normally deliver food, so Korean fried chicken, pizza.
So like the boats that are out in the Busan harbor area,
Right.
that are just sitting there, you deliver them chimek.
Yeah, chimek. Whatever the crew wants. But
Yeah.
as you said, the chicken is the most favorite item. Yeah.
Okay, great. So what can you show us here?
So this is our drone model, which are going to be released soon. So this drone can fly 8 kilometers.
Wow.
With 5 kilograms of cargo.
That's a lot of chicken.
Yeah, so that's a lot of chicken. 3 chickens actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 chickens and 3 pizza.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is the areas. This is the service area what we have. So this drone can cover all areas.
Oh, this is actually Korea right now, right?
It's Korea.
Where-
We've completed 300 paid service already.
So if you look at it, so that's Haeundae.
It's
Gwangali.
Yeongdo.
This is Yeongdo?
Yeah, this is Yeongdo.
Okay, so this is Yeongdo, and you start where?
So you
Where-
see the yellow star
The
here?
yellow star is where they're starting from. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, that's right.
and it can reach out to 8 kilometers.
Yeah, which is the distance until here.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so N1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the namings of the anchorage area. So with this drone,
Yeah.
we can fly until N5.
So where does the chicken go? Underneath or on top, or where's the chicken?
Underneath, you see the grab underneath?
Yeah.
So you put the chicken like this, and then once you fly, it holds by the gravity.
Yeah.
So once the chicken touches the ship's deck, then it automatically releases.
Really?
Yeah. So no crew involved in the operation.
So who's flying it?
Our pilot.
The pilot flying it from the shore, and they're
Right.
flying it out. Oh, that's really
Yeah.
cool.
Shore to ship. Shore to ship.
Using this up here? Is this like the mobile?
Yeah. This
Command
is a
center?
mobile command center.
Oh,
It's,
wow.
it's going to be located in Yeongdo soon.
Can we take a look?
Okay. So this is basically where our pilots stay.
That's a fun job.
It's a fun job. It's a future job, but it's coming in reality.
Yeah.
We are the first service provider in Korea.
Oh, so that's what it looks like right there.
That's the video. That's the actual video. See?
And then it drops it, and then it's done. It
It's
leaves.
done. It's done.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
3 to 5 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah. Once we take off, it takes 3 to 5 minutes until the.
That's faster than food delivery on land.
Well, you have
But
to.
you have to get the chicken
Yeah,
first.
yeah,
I know.
Yeah, correct.
Of course. Oh, that's pretty neat. Well,
Yeah.
thank you for showing this to me. I love this idea.
Yes,
Um,
thank you.
and I hope it goes well, and maybe I'll have a job here later. Do you fly your own drones?
Yeah, I'm also pilot.
Oh, you're a pilot?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
I'm also
cool.
pilot.
Well, thank you for showing us all this information
You're
and all this
welcome.
stuff. I love it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Great. Well, good luck with everything for until tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Have a
bye.
good day.
You too.